Bird poop is no joke. And when a bird decides to do his business on your new shirt, leaving a potential stain, you don't need to use harsh chemicals to remove it. Let me teach you how. To remove bird poop from your clothes without it leaving a stain, you will need a plastic knife and some hydrogen peroxide. To start, take your plastic knife and gently scrape away any remaining bird poop. Be easy. Do not scrape the fabric to the point that it damages the fibers. Just like a gentle scraping will do. Hold the stain under cold running water, and that should remove the poop. If you have color-fast fabrics, grab your hydrogen peroxide and saturate the stain. Let it sit for at least 5 minutes and then rinse it under cold water. Be careful, because using hydrogen peroxide on dark fabrics, it can act like bleach and it can ruin your garments. So only do this with whites or light colored fabrics. If your stain is not removed the first time, simply repeat the steps until it's gone. Do not toss the item in your dryer until the stain has been completely removed, or the heat will set your stain, making it virtually impossible to get out. Please subscribe to my channel for daily DIY Your Life videos. Give this video a thumbs up, show me that you liked it, and share it with all your friends.